Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Style on Tip.
Happy Mother's Day to all of you.
Here we are to know gift ideas for mother on Mother's Day. So let's get started. So first one is award for mothers. Next is perfume set. Watch with perfume pack. Showpiece items. Turtle ring in different designs. Next is chain, or locket. Locket for memories.
Laughing Buddha. Makeup kit for fancy mom. God statue.
Unique diaries. Series for Mother's Day gift.
Special getting card.
Chocolates for make happy. Photo cup for sweet memories. Special Mother's Day gift pack. Available on Flipkart. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.